But yeah, Gutierrez is on the stand right now. His lawyer, his private counsel. So he's got all the city legal working for him. City legal department's got Laird Gray and like 3-4 other lawyers there. Plus he's got Lopez there, which is I hate to call him a sellout, but that's what he is. He's a Mexican Spanish lawyer working for Gutierrez to shoot to get him away, him out of any kind of culpability. But like he's not going to be culpable because the city indemnified in like '83 indemnified all the police officers so they can't face civil responsibility for their crimes, and so for their actions, I should say, because they won't be crimes in the civil. And so like he's been lying up there the whole time, Officer Gutierrez, and Lopez is actually going to help him lie. So he's going to they've gotten him back his background about how he lived in Germany. He came here when he was 2 years old. His mom is from Germany. His dad is from the United States. He was in the army over there. His dad ended up working for Corpus Christi Police Department, and his uncle was working for Las Vegas Metro Police Department, it sounded like. And since he noticed all the camaraderie with the police and how it was different from other jobs and how you could get into a lot of things with the police, and it appealed to him because he didn't like his regular 9-to-5 job. He wanted to become a cop and have that power. And have all the perks and benefits that comes when you become a police officer, including the blue line camaraderie, the thin blue line camaraderie. Looks like this protest didn't even last 30 minutes, maybe an hour. They're gone.
Siri doesn't like you.
The protesters are gone. But that's where we're at right now. I got to take a break and make a phone call. I shall return. If this stream ends, just look for the next stream. You know how that goes. But we're here. As you can see, lawyers and everybody just walking in the street. I'm at least going from corner to corner, but you know, the police always want to like go after filmers for being in the street or protesters for being in the street. Literally, the lawyers, everybody's in the street. The students, everybody's in the streets. But hey, including the stupid ass scooters, they're in the streets. But hey, you know, go use whatever laws you can to keep from being filmed, and we will continue to film you in retaliation for your retaliation. This will escalate. That's what we've seen in some cases. I did look at Manuel Mata's video the other day. Kind of got into it with my friend for sharing it because Mata works with the cops. He's a sellout. It was put out by the Batusai Philip Turner. Philip Turner has the case law on filming in our district in the 5th Circuit, but he works with Nazis, he works with pedophiles, he works with rapists, like News Now Houston, sitting in prison for raping his, I believe his niece for, 12 years or something. So like these people, but he's also a worse rapist. He's being charged with a lot of other rapes as a security guard, raping women in handcuffs for years in Houston. And this is another auditor guy, like Philip Turner. They're all into their egos, and usually they don't. I mean, it's just a bad scene to have people out there filming the police who are those kind of criminals, and the Nazis too, like C.J. Grisham. So who's now an attorney? Now he's a Nazi attorney on the 5th Circuit. So yeah, we got some issues there. So I kind of commented on that. Kind of got people mad, but that's where we're at. I don't associate with those kind of people, and I don't appreciate those kind of videos. But that's apparently who's going for the. They're trying to make a point out of that with the Senate. Whatever. I'll be back later, y'all. Oh, hold it. What do we got? Somebody's saying hi. Oh, the Swifter, what's it say? After seeing these style videos, just because you have the right to something don't mean it's right to do. Yeah, just because you can shoot people from your car doesn't mean you should, but he's a law enforcement officer, and he's going to fall behind that, and he's got protection from lawyers, unions, the CLEAT, all sorts of police organizations are giving him the go-ahead to shoot, and that's what he's testifying on. So yeah, absolutely. I'm going to keep covering this because there's no other news up there covering it. They might be writing stuff down, but they're not. I don't know what they're going to put out on the media, and it's best to come right out of there and see what's on see